Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you have a cat that goes outside, you know it's so important to have proper flea and tick prevention. So I want to show you this Seresto cat flea and tick collar, and I really like this product. So we got a 2-pack. So this is one and the other one is on the cat already. And this is great because they each last for 8 months. So that is 16 months of control in one purchase, and you don't have to think about it again. So I appreciate that over having to put on the liquid on the back of their neck every month, and sometimes it's hard to remember that. So this is great. It also was really easy to apply. It comes in a little package, and when you're ready to put it on, you just open it up and you fit it to their neck and trim off the excess. And it even comes with little reflective pieces that you can put on the collar to make your cat more visible. So that's great. It's not greasy, it doesn't have any odor, and so far we have definitely noticed a difference. So our cat goes outside where we have both woods and a field that has tall grass and brush, and usually he would come home with ticks even with the treatment we were using before, and this has definitely made a huge difference. So I am really happy about that, because not only do we want to keep him safe, but we want to keep us safe as well. We don't want him bringing ticks into the house. So far so good. He has had the collar on for about a month and we've been really happy with it, and I would definitely recommend this for anybody who has a cat, to keep them safe and keep you safe as well. And that's my point of view.